Thursday, July 22nd, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Doing some painting, nothing special. Turning the beige to cement gray throughout. Living room, dining room area. Oh yeah, moving the TV over some too. All the works. I like what's going on here. Management is doing a great job putting it all together. Top to bottom, even the clock. I approve. Really nice. This is going to take about 4 days. I won't be touching the white, but 4 days I anticipate. Let's do it. Some of you are probably wondering, why would it take 4 days to paint? I want to do it right. That's the first thing. Second, tray ceilings, I have to tape, touch-ups. So yeah, I anticipate 4 days. May not look like a lot, but it is. I'll do this area, and I'm just taping today. So that's why we're extending this to about 4 days. Windows, molding, oh yeah. Then there's stuff like this. Have to do a small drywall repair on this area for the second time, I might add. So it's not the first. Had a little accident. So yeah, second time. I'll take care of it. And here's another accident that needs to be taken care of. That's why I'm taking 4 days. Honestly, folks, I'd rather paint a large, open space. Small areas like this is a hassle, especially when you have to move furniture and carry ladders. That's why I'm just taping today. So I got this, now on to this. I ran out of Benjamin Moore Ultra Spec when I painted the kids' bedroom. So I had to go to Ace Hardware to pick up a gallon worth of this. I like it, like how it dries, like how it bonds. Real smooth. Also went to Walmart, picked up a few things. I like their paint section. Got that from Home Depot, this as well. Stuff I needed. I try to do the best I can, but I really don't like taping. Takes too long. It's real tedious sometimes. Look at this. By the windows, the tray ceilings, the molding. Thankfully, I'm not really touching the white paint. Then you have tight spaces, such as this one. I guess I'll start here, then work my way around. I don't know if I'll paint anywhere near the tray ceiling today. Management doesn't want any paint getting on the furniture, so I used some painter's plastic to cover it up. It's a good idea. I was going to do it anyway. All right, it's the next day. Time to paint. Got my work area all ready, set to go. I'll start here, work my way around, eventually go up, check for inconsistencies, stuff like that. It's going to look nice. Beginners, pick up a paint trim cup. Reason being, so you don't have to walk from the tray to the wall or whatever it is that you're painting. It's a very good investment. So far, so good. Had to reach a bit to get the corners, but what do you expect? Tight space, big ladder. Paint looks great though. That's all that really matters. This isn't quite a third of the space, more like a quarter. But it looks good. It's getting done. Oh yeah, really like it. Won't be using this paint right now. I got it for the window area. Have some real bad spots here. Probably gonna need 2 coats, especially over here, definitely. This looks bad. All the tape I use for the Christmas lights. Just really messed it up. But it's nothing a coat or two of paint can't fix. I had to stop for a second. I need to tell you this. It's real important. I just ran out of the Walmart clean release, okay? The dark blue, you see? It's cheaper. You can probably find it at any store. It's good, not great. And this is just my opinion. Been using it throughout. Open up the Scots. You can tell the difference right away. It's night and day. Spend the extra $1 or $2 to get this. It's worth it. Trust me. I don't think I'll ever use another tape ever again, especially when I'm painting. It makes everything so much better and worthwhile. Almost had a problem. Both screws are holding up the TV mount. Luckily, I had this 13mm socket wrench. Let's stop here. Come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.